Hello everyone, Erev Tov, Lekulam. So tonight is Yom Kippur nila po ng 2023. So yung date po dito is September 24, 2025 at sa Pilipinas po ay September 25, 2023. So sa Hebrew calendar po ay Tishrei 9, 5874. And then, yung greetings or way of saying po nila during this holiday is Gimar Katimatuba, meaning it's a good final sealing. Today is Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement, kung tutuusin, Day of Repentance, and also, fasting sila maghapon, and then bukas na sila kakain ng bonggang-bongga. And then, wala po talagang sasakyan, walang bukas na tindahan all over Israel dahil ito po ang pinaka-holiest holiday ng